All right, 2:20. So first I want you to find the hour of 2. So start at the 12 and draw an arrow to the 2. That's the 2 whole hours. And circle the 2. Good. And you see that that hour hand is pointing to it, right? Okay, the next is the minutes. So it says 20 minutes. So find 15 minutes. If that's 15, where's 20? Good, put 20 in there. And you see the longer minute hand is drawn in with the fingers on it. So you don't have to draw a perfect picture, but let's try to do that over here. So now we've got 10:35. So hour first, so find 10. Yep, keep going all the way around. You got the 10, circle that thing. Okay, it's 10 hours, so draw your hour hand to the 10. That's the one with your, like your fist, you know what I mean? No minutes. Good. Now the minutes is 35. So let's think, look at all those clock locations. Can you find 30? If that's 30, where's 35? Put a box right there. That's where 35 minutes belongs. So draw the hand to that. This hand is going to have some fingers on it. So do your best to draw your fingers on there. Perfect. What time is it there? The whole thing?
10:35.
10:35, yeah. 10 is the hours, 35 is the minutes. Good job.